guys, so for today, someone hacked my account. I cannot log in back to my original account. Look, I went to a game and I typed in my password. It's really wrong. I'm really mad of the one who hacked my account. Look, and I redeemed this. Done. Okay. So I'm not. It won't work. Look, it's not working still. Even I put even I verify and verify again and again, it still won't work. Look at this. Still won't work. That's why I'm really mad who hacked my account. That's why I'm going to log into the other account. And I'm going to make a new account. I'm really mad who one hacked my account. But the one that I played into the game, I will show you the one who I played in the game. I'll show you. Okay. So let's go to another account. So I'm really mad because someone just hacked the account I made. So I'm now here. So this is an account that I made, so let's go to wait guys. Okay guys, so searching our players. So he's in a game, right? Wait, someone's using my account, guys. Someone's using my account. And I don't know who did it, but I'm angry at the one who hacked my account, guys. Comment down below who maybe did it. You can report it. I'll show you the one who nicked the account. So it's like starts with the letter C in the one in the games. Like admin commands. And then there's like hashtag something. So let us see. And then there's like a house, but not that one. That's different. There are different hashtags, but I cannot find it anymore. I'm angry who hacked my account. I cannot log in back to my old account. So guys, I'll be waiting for my account back. So I'm very angry, guys, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment down below who hacked my account, subscribe, and please one like for my account back. See you all next time, guys. Goodbye.